Hey, stop right now. Stop saying very. Yes, you heard me. Very good, very bad, very big, very tired. Come on, you deserve better. If you truly want to sound confident, sharp, powerful, like a native who owns the room, you have to ditch very today. In the next 20 minutes, I'm giving you 25 killer words that will transform your English instantly. Your friends will notice. Your confidence will explode. You'll feel unstoppable. Stick with me till the very end, because the final words, they're next level impressive. Trust me, you'll love this. Let's do this right now. Here's the plan. We're going on a quick journey together. First, I'll expose the common mistakes we all make. Then I'll hit you with smart, powerful replacements that make you sound pro. After that, we practice together. You repeat, feel the difference. And at the end, a quick self test to lock it in. You ready to level up your English game? Let's go. Okay, imagine this. Someone asks, "How was the food?" Most people say, "It was very good." Boring. Weak. Instead, say it with feeling. Delicious. Come on, repeat after me. Feel it. Delicious. This food is delicious. Pause, excited. Wow. Doesn't that taste better already? Next one. She's very good at English. No, she's excellent. Repeat. Excellent. She is excellent at English. You can feel the respect, right? Another, that's very good news. Say it big. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's wonderful news. See? One strong word hits harder than very plus weak word. You're already sounding smarter, and it feels amazing. Keep going. This is addictive. Now flip it. Things that suck. This weather is very bad. Ugh, say, terrible, terrible. The weather is terrible today. Feel that anger? Perfect. Next, the room is very dirty. No way. It's filthy. Filthy. The room is filthy, but powerful, and that building is very ugly. Come on, hideous. Hideous. That building is hideous. Notice, your English just got sharper, bolder. You're not average anymore. You're rising. Don't stop. The best is coming. Size matters, right? That house is very big. No, it's huge. Huge. That house is huge. Imagine saying that. Very small. Tiny. Tiny. The puppy is tiny. Ah, so adorable. Very tall building. Go big. Enormous or gigantic. Enormous, gigantic. Very short meeting. Brief. The meeting was brief. This is how natives talk. Short, strong, full of life. You're getting it. I can feel your energy rising. Emotions now. I'm very happy to see you. No, thrilled. Thrilled! She was thrilled to see you. Very sad. Heartbroken. Heartbroken. He was heartbroken after the news. Very angry. Furious. Furious. She was furious about the mistake. Very tired after work. Exhausted. Exhausted. I am exhausted. Take a second. Feel how much stronger you sound, more real, more you. You're not just learning words, you're owning your voice. Proud of you. Less big ones. This is very important. It's crucial. Crucial. This exam is crucial. Very fast growth, rapid. Rapid. The company had rapid growth. Very smart, brilliant. Brilliant. She is brilliant. Very funny, hilarious. Hilarious. The movie was hilarious. Boom! Your vocabulary just exploded. Your turn now. Let's lock it in. I say sentence with very. You replace it in your mind. First, the food is very good. Delicious. Yes. Next, I am very tired after gym. Exhausted. Perfect. The movie was very funny. Hilarious. Love it. The test is very important. Crucial. You nailed it. High five. You're crushing this. Today you grabbed delicious, excellent, wonderful, terrible, filthy, huge, tiny, thrilled, heartbroken, furious, exhausted, crucial, brilliant, hilarious. Stop very, start powerful. You got this. If this fired you up, practice these words every day. Say them loud. Feel the confidence grow. Next video dropping soon. 10 English sentences you're saying wrong every day. Common traps Indians fall into, fixed forever. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe, turn on bell, and let's keep leveling up together. You're not average. You're becoming unstoppable. See you in the next one. Stay